Hello everyone, myself Dr. Soma.Homeopathic, a homeopathic specialist. There are so many queries regarding homeopathy which a patient asks and they want me to answer. So let me start with certain questions which I received today only. So maybe it can help you all. So the first question is it homeopathy is a very slow process? The fact is homeopathy is not slow at all. I told so many times. The time required for the cure and treatment depends upon the patient and when he approaches the doctor. Severe chronic illness will definitely require more time for treatment, but the early the patient reaches to the doctor and he comes for the treatment, the lesser the time homeopathy takes. The second question is that which is generally so many times people ask, even doctors, they ask me that homeopathic medicines are placebo. Many scientific studies prove that homeopathic medicines cause no placebo effects. The medicines have treated millions of people around the globe, and all homeopathic medicines undergo potentization, making them safe to use. Okay, the next question is homeopathic medicines are just water? Not at all. Homeopathy is not that simple. All the medicines undergo a combined process of dilution and succussion, a process which is basically potentization through vigorous shaking. Around 4,000 homeopathic medicines are now available and all form are evidence based. Then there's a question, homeopathy is an alternative to surgery. So many times people ask me this. Well, this is another, I would say, misbelief that which is widely accepted. The truth is homeopathy is not always an alternative to surgical operations. It is important that surgical conditions can only be treated by surgeries, and in some cases we have a wonderful results and we treat it merely with the homeopathy. Next is that homeopathy does not need diagnosis. Why? I don't know why this question always arises. Let me tell you that diagnosis and investigation are the forefront ventures of any medical professions, not for the homeopathy, for all the medical fraternity. This is the basic things which is required, and this pertains to the fact that homeopathy also requires meticulous diagnosis, research and investigation if needed, and that is only judged by your concerned homeopathic doctor. And one more thing, see, once we go with the investigation diagnosis, this also help us to for the cure purpose also, and we see the investigation revert back to the normal once the homeopathic treatment has done successfully. Then there is a question which is very general question, that homeopathic medicines are not for the diabetic patients. Despite being sweet, homeopathic medicines contains a complex sugar known as lactose instead of glucose that is harmful to diabetic patients. Moreover, homeopathic medicines are also available in liquid form, or you can say the dilution, and which is not sweet at all. So that depends upon your doctor how he is taking care of your diabetes. Homeopathy cannot treat acute disease. So many times I told you this is not true at all. Homeopathy can treat both chronic illness, acute diseases as well. And because in my practice also, in my 20 years of practice, we are seeing so many patients for the acute illness also, and we have been treated them successfully with the single doses or in a very short span of time. So there's nothing like homeopathy cannot cure acute diseases. The one thing which is, again, a patient keeps on asking me, that self-medication in homeopathy is possible. I would say not at all. No matter what your condition might be, self-medication or any kind of taking treatment by yourself, or rather relying on the treatment, which even what happens so many times, I have seen that I have prescribed certain medicine to a patient and they get treated, and the other people in their family, they follow the same medicines, but that is not going to do any good to you. I am telling you that self-medication is not at all advisable to you. You need to always, it's better and best to consult a homeopath for starting your treatment and for your follow-ups. And homeopathy is widely followed procedures around the globe. It is always important to know the right procedures and medicines which is used by the qualified doctors to prevent any health issues. So homeopathy has produced number of great results for millions of people, and the certain myths are simply baseless and without any evidences. So I would say I think these questions which I've answered well, and for any of the queries or you want to get connected to me to know more about the homeopathic treatment results, healing, I'm very much there. You can follow me on YouTube. It's Dr. Soma, homeopathic specialist. I'm there on Instagram also. So get connected to me to know and clear myths about homeopathy and follow homeopathy for health and healing. Thank you so much.